Are you tired of juggling multiple notes, ideas, and reminders across different apps? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Keep Chrome extension, a simple tool that lets you capture and organize your notes directly in your browser. By the end of this guide, you'll have a streamlined workflow that keeps all your important information just a click away. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser, look to the top right corner, and click the grid icon, also known as the apps icon. This is your gateway to all Chrome extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. From there, scroll down to the Chrome Web Store and click it. Once inside the Chrome Web Store, type Google Keep extension in the search bar. In the list of results, find Google Keep and click Add to Chrome. You'll then confirm by clicking Add extension. The installation only takes a few moments, and you might notice a small spinning icon while it's downloading. After installation, check the top right corner of Chrome. You should see the Google Keep icon among your extensions. Right-click on it and select Pin. This ensures the icon stays visible and easily accessible every time you use your browser. Now comes the fun part, using Google Keep. Let's say you're browsing the web and come across something important you want to save. Just click the Google Keep icon and you can create a note instantly without leaving the page. To keep things organized, assign labels to your notes like work, study, or personal. This makes it super easy to find them later. If you want to access the full range of Google Keep features like adding images, setting reminders, or organizing all your notes in one place, click the extension icon to open the main Google Keep page. Here, all your notes are collected neatly, ready to review, edit, or categorize further. And that's it. With the Google Keep Chrome extension, you can capture ideas, organize your notes, and streamline your workflow, all from your browser. No more scattered notes or lost ideas. Start using it today and watch your productivity soar.